All right, we're just getting pictures of a breaking update and the pictures of an Air India Express flight carrying around 180 passengers from Dubai skidding off the runway while landing at Kozhikode. And those pictures of the crash also coming in. We'll get more details onto this. This is just a breaking news update that we are sharing with our viewers, updating for more inputs to just come in. But so far, what we are getting to know that this is an express flight that skidded off the runway, and this is an Air India Express flight. The picture till now that we have access skidding off the runway in Kozhikode, as the pictures that are being shared of 180 passengers were believed to be on board this flight, which was coming from Dubai. And it is still unknown as to if the passengers received any sort of injuries or not, and what sort of help are they now receiving, and what caused the aircraft to skid off the runway. But this is just an update coming in, and a flight carrying around 170 passengers has skidded off the Kozhikode runway, and many are injured. All right, so the reports suggest currently, as this is just interim information that we are getting of a breaking update of an Air India flight skidding off the runway. This has been reported in Kozhikode, the Air India Express flight that was coming from Dubai, where this flight crash landed after skidding off the runway. And it is being said that more than 170 passengers were on board. We can see the extent of the damage that has been caused to the rear part of the aircraft. And it is just being said that many passengers have received injuries. We're still awaiting for more updates on this story. This is a breaking news updates. We are reporting as and when we are getting more and more information. But it is being said that 170 passengers were on board this Air India flight, and we have Shantashri with us with updates on this. Yes, Shantashri, give us details. What happened?
Yes, so far the first information that we are getting is this, that a major accident has taken place with a flight on board with 170 passengers, which has skidded off runway, and many have been injured. More and more information is trickling right now, and we are also awaiting for the visual. As we await for more information and visuals, this is the basic information that we are getting right now, that around 170 passengers were there on board the flight, and many have been injured. And we believe that, okay, we have got the photo first that we are going to flash right away. There is a major accident that has taken place. It seems from the picture, I would like this picture to be flashed on air. We believe that this flight, after skidding off,
already on air, Shanta.
It is kind of almost broken down. Okay, we are getting more pictures right now, and it has caught fire, and there were actually not 170 passengers, but it is actually 190 passengers that were there on board. And this is a Air India flight, and as we are getting, it's a A737 Boeing flight. There were around 190 passengers. So more and more important information is trickling right now, where we see that this kind of very scary visuals that is coming away right away, where the flight is almost in two halves. Everybody is over there. The ambulance and the firefighting team, everything has been rushed to take care of the local residents, as it is actually raining a lot, and that's why this kind of accident must have taken place, where the pilot might have lost control of the entire...
Shantashri, stay on with us. Ashwin is also joining us for more updates. Ashwin, the update coming in, we can see the destruction and the damage that has been caused to the aircraft. What is the update that you can share with us?
Reports are saying that it was the Air India Express flight number 1344.
All right, Ashwin, stay on with us. Mr. KJ Alphonse is with us on the phone line. Union Minister, sir, the details that you can share with us of this accident that has taken place. What more can you tell us, sir?
Yeah, this flight was coming from Gulf area, UAE, and then it landed at Calicut Kozhikode Airport. I mean, there was a very heavy rain, so after the plane slowed down, it skidded off the runway, and then it went into a ditch, and the front portion of the aircraft has been badly damaged. The one pilot is dead, the other pilot is very, very serious. And there are many passengers who have been sitting in the front of the aircraft who are, I think, seriously injured. There were 177 passengers in the aircraft. I mean, it's very lucky that the aircraft didn't catch fire. So, and all the passengers have been rescued from the aircraft. But I mean, this is the second tragedy of the day in Kerala, because in the morning, early morning, we had this massive landslide in Munnar, where 80 people were trapped in the landslide, and about 15 people, their bodies have been recovered. About 15 people are badly injured, taken to the hospital, and still about 50 are still missing. And we hope that at least some of them would be alive. Hopefully, yeah.
So when did this happen? And the injuries and the deaths that have been reported till now, if you can also confirm that to us?
See, I mean, I'm basing myself on reports which are coming from Kerala. I'm told it was about an hour and a half back, about 15 people were dead, and I'm told about 15 people have been rescued, but of course seriously injured. They are in the hospital, and the central government as well as the state government has got into immediate quick operation to evacuate people. Of course, still over 50 people are still missing. I mean, this is all the tea garden workers of Kannan Dev and Company. So yes, it's a big tragedy, and of course this aircraft tragedy, Air India tragedy, coming on top of that just now.
Sir, because the pictures that we can see on our screen, sir, the extent of the damage that has been caused to the aircraft, that it has almost split into two parts. And those are the pictures. Can we say it because of the skidding happened because of the intense rainfall that the state has been witnessing?
Yeah. I mean, because of the very, very heavy rainfall today, Kerala had extremely high rainfall, and luckily, I think the aircraft had slowed down a lot, and therefore, but still, the front portion of the aircraft is split, and that's why I guess one of the pilots passed away, and the other pilot is seriously injured. But it's very, very lucky that the aircraft didn't catch fire. I think it is just a miracle that the aircraft didn't catch fire.
Yes, absolutely. But there are still many people, as you say, are still unaccounted for, and injuries also that have been reported, though we are awaiting for more confirmation on that, sir. But looking at those pictures, we can see the extent of the damage that has been caused to the aircraft, and we still don't have the exact number, sir. How many passengers were there on board? Can you share more details on that?
I'm told there were 177 passengers. And those who are in the front of the aircraft, I think many of them have been seriously injured, and they are being shifted to the Medical College, Calicut. So that's the information I get from Kerala. But of course, the picture is not very clear, but apparently there were 177 passengers. And yeah, that's that. I mean, it happens, I think, when you have a heavy rain like this, unprecedented rain like this, I think, takeoff and landing are extremely difficult. And I guess the aircraft just skidded off the runway. I guess that's what happened.
And sir, if you have any information on part of the other flights also being affected because of this crash landing that has happened?
I don't know, because I guess after slowing down, the aircraft went beyond the runway, and then of course it went nose down and beyond the runway. So apparently, I don't really know if the runway has been affected. I'm not aware of that. Really, not aware.
So, sir, you're confirming to us that one pilot has passed away in this tragedy?
Yeah, that's what I learned from Kerala sources. That's what I learned. And the other pilot is injured. This is what I hear from the Kerala sources. Now, you could cross-check with your Kerala sources and then possibly reconfirm.